All right, guys. This is another update on the $100,000 challenge. As you can see, we are at another red day today. Um, I'm losing about $1,000, $1,100, closer to 13% here. But we are up $22 on the after hour. So this is an update. As you can see, my buying power has gone down because I recently just bought some options and wrote some spread for the week. It's going to be expiring tomorrow, so this is something that I'm actually losing a lot of money on because I'm betting that the stock price of SPY or the S&P 500 ETF will go around 380, 388 is my break-even price for this option. So as you can see here, my break-even price is 388.50, and then on my second set of spread here, my break-even price is 388.27. So these options, if they expire, if the stock price of SPY, which is this ETF, if it expires tomorrow by 12 or 1 p.m. at exactly 88.50 or 88.70, or at least above that, I'll get all my collateral back, which is, I think, like $7,000 or something like that. So yeah, so $1,200. I'll get all that back, and then I'll gain about, let's see, if my math is correct here, around $1,000. Just because I also have a call option that if the stock goes up, this will go up significantly to probably around 700, give or take, if my correct pricing here is right. Yeah, so it should be around 700. I'll gain about $300 from this if it goes up around this, because I know at 8 o'clock the price of this ETF was around 388. So this is just I'm eyeballing it, but I'm pretty sure it's close to that number. So I didn't sell my solo call yet because this is a leap option technically. So I'm still dabbling on this, waiting for it to kind of go up a little bit more. But right now I'm significantly losing money, which is $253. But, it's a leap option, so we're going to keep waiting it out until it actually gets up. And hopefully this big roller coaster ride that Wall Street has been giving us will probably wear off, and hopefully the stocks will stop trading sideways pretty much. So moving on to the stocks that I have, I still have the same ones. Obviously, I didn't buy any of these ones right here. Solo, Blink, FCell, FUV, Jumia, they're all down, but I want to keep my positions for now and not buy anymore. So I want to have more buying power just in case. And I actually want to gain more money from this in the income level. So I don't want to keep reinvesting to the same things and it keeps going down. That's what's called a dropping knife. You don't want to catch the stock while it's going down and not plateau at the bottom. So if it keeps dropping, you're just going to keep losing money. But if you wait for it to actually drop and then buy from there, then you won't catch a falling knife. You won't hurt yourself, pretty much. So that's what falling knife means. I don't want to do that to any of these stocks, except for the ones that I actually know that already hit the bottom, which is CPSH, I'm pretty sure it hit the bottom right here at 17. So for now, I think that that's the lowest it will go. It did hit the bottom here because for some reason it was just a big dip on the market. Everyone started selling, so it hit 1453. But this, I think, is a good catch for the falling knife here, because just kept going down, 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 and then it evened out right here, and then riding it back up. So CPS Technology, I'm very bullish on the stock. If you want to learn more about it, go ahead and do your own research. I did buy more of that though, and one thing I also bought more of, NEO, now sitting at 10 shares. Again, I'm losing money on that. And then if we look at CCIV, I don't think it's probably safe to say that the falling knife has ended here, and it kind of evened out, plateau. So it's a good time to keep buying. I am also losing money on this, $182, but I'm not scared to kind of hold this for the long term, because I know that Lucid Motors is a big profitable company in the future. Let's exit out on that. I'm looking to pivot out of this position because it's been long overdue. I think that I'm losing money on this, and I want to reinvest the $100-something into CCIV or CPSH or MP Materials. Let's go to MP Materials because this is actually a really interesting stock. We all know that the EV market and making electric vehicles is going to need materials, metals, and all sorts of things. So my philosophy on MP Material is actually that it's like investing into oil before they became big. Before it turned into a multi-billion-dollar investments. I think that this is the start of materials, like in terms of EV, because electric vehicles are going to need more materials. They're going to need suppliers for those. They're going to need a bunch of batteries. They're going to need a bunch of, all those technical little things that make up electric vehicles are going to be on demand. So I think MP Material will actually provide all those things, and this stock will definitely be a key player in the EV industry. So that's the reason why I'm invested in this. I only have 8 shares for now, but I'm slowly averaging up. I am up $114, but my average cost right now is $30. So I'm slowly averaging up on this. This has been on my watch list for a while, or I'm already invested in it, but I want to keep, averaging up on this particular stock. So I bought more of Bio-Nanogenomics. This one I bought at the bottom, I believe. Let's see where I bought it at. I bought more right here. I bought 5 at around 11.51. So let's look at that. 11.51. So I bought it around here at 10.25. So I think that's a good position in terms of that, because I think it's going to go up more. It would have been great to buy it here, but I thought that it evened out here and it won't keep falling. But that's just a small difference. It's not considered a falling knife if it's really a small difference, but you get the gist of it. I invested more in this. I bought more, 5 more shares to be exact, and I'm still down $51. But I think Bio-Nanogenomics is going to be a big profitable company in the long term also. All right. So that's that. I hope that you guys have a great day. This is my watch list right now. Looking at Arrow, CTRX, rocket companies. I think that this stock will actually be a big player in the long term in terms of like aerospace and space exploration. But that's going to be a whole different video for that. Vale, they are, I think, mining company that contributes to like, I think, like the batteries that they do a bunch of mineral mining and nickel and all those sorts of things. I have it on my watch list because I think that Tesla and other big EV companies are gonna need more supplier of those materials. So, for example, nickel, lithium, and all those stuff. And I think that Vale might have a potential big business in upcoming years. So I have that in my watch list for now. I'm not invested in it yet, but we'll see how that goes. All right. So this is it. I hope you guys have a great day. As you can see, I'm still at the red. I'm up $42, $43. Oh, it just went down. But about $30 during the aftermarket. I'm hoping that, let's go back here to SPY so get you guys up to speed with this. So I'm hoping, like I said earlier, that this price will go to at least $88.50 by expiration date tomorrow for me to actually receive all my collateral back, which is $1,200. But, you know, if it doesn't, I can just close out my options, my spread, and I'll probably only lose, give or take, 500 of that collateral back. Or I'll lose 500, but then I'll get the rest of it back. So about $600 back, give or take. So yeah, I'm hoping that's where it ends up tomorrow. So that's it. This is my $100,000 challenge. Hope you guys have a great day. That's a lot of great because I want you guys to view the market right now as a buying opportunity. Okay.